Lights are getting fixed. They look pretty dull and faded. That's why you clicked on this video. You want to see what they're gonna do, how they're gonna turn out, and whether you can do it yourself. Look at that mirrored finish. Wow. Such an easy thing to do too. Well guys, welcome back to another Octane Monkey video. My name is Brandon and today we are working on the Infiniti G35. We are going to be restoring the headlights. They're pretty beat up after 15 years of road salt, grime, all that stuff. They look pretty dull and faded. That's why you clicked on this video. You want to see what they're gonna do, how they're gonna turn out, and whether you can do it yourself. The answer is probably. I've got them both taped off. I've got one papered, one just with some tape. This is how they are. This is the way they look like. They're pretty rough, they're hard to touch. You can see there's lots of just pitting and they're pretty bad. These are not yellowed, but that's just because of the type of plastic. I mean, they are yellowed a little bit. Never mind, you know what? They're all the things. This one's even cracked. So we're gonna see how much we can bring this back. Step one, sanding. So I've been sanding this one down for about an hour. You don't need to spend anywhere near that amount of time on it, but I've just been enjoying the process and she feels like glass. So this is a 600 grit finish. You can polish these out to get them back to life, but the problem is it's a ton of labor for one. But two, they're gonna get pitted up again. It's just the plastic. You know, you've taken that top surface off. I guess it would take another 15 years theoretically to get to this point, but we're gonna try something else. We're gonna spray them with some clear coat, because we got lots of clear coat kicking around. And I'm thinking that by putting a polyurethane coat of clear on top of them after we've smoothed out all the divots, that's gonna give us like real shiny results. And it's gonna protect it for the future. So let's get some spraying. We're not using anything real special here. We've got some automotive touch-up gloss clear coat. I bought this from a company a long time ago. I can't remember the name of the company, for the BMW. It's been really good. Their primer's garbage, but I haven't had any problems with their clear coat paint. So we'll give this a try and we'll see how it goes. Well, as you can see already, the shot of clear coat one is so much more clear than the other side. Even if you didn't sand your headlights, I think just taking them off and painting them with a clear coat would probably give you a pretty decent result compared to what you had before. But the nice thing is now, that any imperfections in your sanding or in the surface of it, all of those imperfections are taken out. The liquid is filling in all of those crevices and sort of building up a new layer. And if I have a little bit of orange peel or if I want to make this even smoother, I have something now that I can kind of buff and sand off. That's theoretically a little softer than the plastic while it's in its drying state, and then once it's dried, it's theoretically harder than the plastic. Either way, that already looks very good. I'm pretty excited to see how that looks when it's dry and just with those results already. I think this is gonna be a win. Sling break! 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mother called the doctor and doctor said, no more jumping on the bed. Back to the video. After. Before. So look at how much of a transformation that is. Step one, tape off your legs so you don't scratch your paint. Step two, sand. We're gonna be sanding with some 600 grit sandpaper. Step three is paint. I can't remember if I've already shot an intro for this because it's 2:30 in the morning and I'm shooting it out of order. So welcome to the channel. My name is Brandon and this is Octane Monkey. We're restoring headlights. All right, there we have it. Both headlights have been, we'll call it restored. This one still has a crack in it. So call it what you will, but it's cheaper than replacing them and they do look pretty much brand new. They will shine brighter and be safer. So I'm really happy with how they turned out. Really happy with how they turned out actually. And the new bumper, it looks really good. I don't know why seeing myself on camera makes me not be able to talk to myself. No, those aren't sentences. Those aren't words that make sense in a sentence. It's logic and the things. I'm real tired. We painted the lights. The clear coat is on. The tape is off. It looks amazing. Super happy. We're gonna get some beautiful shots of this that are gonna go over my voice talking right now and maybe make me look slightly less crazy. Maybe not. Maybe the craziness is just part of who I am. The headlights are done and they look amazing. Yes, so good. This is one of the most amazing mods I've ever done. It's so quick, it's so easy, it's so cheap, and it makes such a huge difference. I have driven around with yellow foggy headlights my whole life because I just drive old crappy cars. And the fact that I could have changed it for like 5 minutes worth of work, like why have I not done this sooner? So from now on, all my cars are gonna have nice headlights because, like what? So anyway, thank you guys. Thanks for watching and subscribing and liking and all that stuff. If you know someone who's got crappy headlights, share this video with them. Tell them to get their stuff together because that's the first step in being a better person is little steps like getting nicer headlights on, on your crappy car. See you in the next one.
What's wrong with him? My first thought would be a lot.
Did you know you can get Octane Monkey gear at octanemonkey.com? That's right, we got shirts, hats, stickers, even car parts. If you like this video, hit that like button. And if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button.